On the 10th of December, Finland made a notable announcement, revealing plans to procure 64 F-35A Lightning II jets from Lockheed Martin, marking a monumental investment of $11.3 billion. This procurement endeavor is a watershed moment in Helsinki's military history, representing its most extensive acquisition and ranking amongst the most significant military procurements across the European continent. Despite the projected timeline indicating the arrival of the initial F-35s not until 2026, the decision underscores Finland's strategic pivot towards modernizing its defense capabilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on defense and geopolitical developments. Finland's embrace of the F-35 signifies its entry into an exclusive cohort of European nations, opting for the cutting-edge capabilities of the US-manufactured fifth-generation stealth fighter. This strategic choice aligns Finland with a burgeoning consortium of European militaries either currently utilizing or slated to integrate the F-35 into their defense arsenals. Switzerland's recent acquisition of 36 F-35As in a $5.5 billion agreement announced in June further underscores the burgeoning interest in this aircraft across the European landscape. Switzerland's decision was fueled by the aircraft's touted attributes, emphasizing its entirely new, compelling, and comprehensively networked systems for protecting and monitoring airspace. The allure of the F-35 extends beyond mere military hardware acquisition. It signifies a paradigm shift in defense strategy for these nations. By opting for the F-35, Finland and Switzerland position themselves at the forefront of military innovation, leveraging state-of-the-art technology to bolster their national security apparatus. Furthermore, the decision serves as a strategic statement, reaffirming their commitment to bolstering defense capabilities in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. In essence, the F-35 represents more than just a fighter aircraft. It embodies a strategic investment in these nations' future security and defense posture. As they navigate evolving security challenges and geopolitical uncertainties, the F-35 emerges as a cornerstone of their defense modernization efforts, offering unparalleled capabilities and strategic flexibility to safeguard their national interests. Engaging in a nuanced diplomatic dance, Finland has historically maintained a position of non-alignment, deftly navigating the intricate web of international relations. While officially not a member of NATO, Finland strategically collaborates with NATO countries while concurrently holding membership within the European Union. This intricate geopolitical maneuvering underscores Finland's commitment to safeguarding national interests while fostering cooperative relationships with Western and Eastern blocs. Forging a delicate balance between historical antagonisms and contemporary diplomatic imperatives, Finland's relationship with Russia remains complex. Despite having engaged in two significant conflicts with the Soviet Union in the 20th century, Finland has since cultivated a pragmatic, working relationship with its eastern neighbor. The shared 830-mile border between Finland and Russia serves as a constant reminder of the geopolitical realities that shape Finland's foreign policy calculus. During a diplomatic visit to Finland in October, NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg lauded Finland's pivotal role as one of NATO's closest partners. Emphasizing shared values and security challenges, Stoltenberg highlighted the symbiotic relationship between NATO and Finland in addressing common geopolitical concerns. Stoltenberg's remarks underscored the strategic importance of Finland's cooperative stance in bolstering regional security and stability. While NATO remains open to the prospect of Finland's membership, the issue of accession remains a contentious topic within Finnish domestic politics. Despite the strategic benefits that NATO membership could afford Finland, public sentiment and political reservations have tempered enthusiasm for joining the alliance. This internal debate reflects the nuanced complexities inherent in Finland's diplomatic posture and its implications for broader regional security dynamics. As Finland navigates the intricate geopolitical landscape, its diplomatic engagements and defense acquisitions, such as the procurement of the F-35 aircraft, serve as tangible manifestations of its strategic calculus. By investing in cutting-edge defense capabilities, Finland seeks to reinforce its position as a critical player in regional security while maintaining its carefully crafted diplomatic equilibrium. Electrifying developments sweep across the European skies as nations contemplate the acquisition of the F-35, heralding a new array of defense capabilities. Beyond the notable cases of Finland and Switzerland, a constellation of countries, including Belgium, Poland, Denmark, Italy, Norway, the UK, and the Netherlands, either currently operate or eagerly anticipate the arrival of F-35 variants. Notably, the latter 5 countries are pioneers in the F-35 program, symbolizing their commitment to cutting-edge defense technologies. Despite Turkey's initial involvement as a critical partner, its expulsion from the program after procuring Russia's S-400 air defense system underscores the complex geopolitical considerations. The echo of interest reverberates further as Greece emerges as another prospective player in the F-35 saga. Expressions of interest from Greek authorities, coupled with reported dialogues between Lockheed Martin and Spanish and Czech officials, underscore the growing allure of this state-of-the-art aircraft. Moreover, Romanian President Klaus Iohannis's recent declaration of intent to acquire F-35s adds another layer of intrigue to the unfolding narrative. At the heart of the F-35's appeal lies its multifaceted operational capabilities, catering to a spectrum of combat scenarios. Positioned as a versatile multi-role combat aircraft, the F-35 boasts unparalleled air superiority and strike capabilities, epitomizing its status as a formidable force on the battlefield. Its integrated intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISTAR capabilities are a multiplier, furnishing friendly forces with invaluable real-time battlefield intelligence. Affectionately dubbed the quarterback of the skies, the F-35's survivability is further enhanced by its stealth profile, affording it a strategic advantage over adversaries. The allure of the F-35 extends beyond its operational prowess, encompassing economic considerations that resonate with budget-conscious defense planners. Despite the initial acquisition cost, the F-35 is perceived as a prudent investment, owing to its cost-effectiveness vis-à-vis fourth-generation aircraft. Switzerland's decision, citing price as a determining factor, underscores this rationale. However, the significant operational and maintenance costs, such as the periodic reapplication of stealth coating, pose substantive challenges. Lockheed Martin's endeavors to reduce the F-35's operating costs signal a concerted effort to address these concerns and bolster its attractiveness to prospective buyers. In addition to operational and economic considerations, acquiring F-35s also holds strategic implications for nations seeking to enhance their industrial ties with the United States. Countries can deepen their industrial collaboration by procuring American fighters and leveraging domestic manufacturing capabilities to contribute to the F-35 program. This symbiotic relationship underscores the multifaceted appeal of the F-35, transcending mere military hardware to encompass broader geopolitical and economic dimensions. With a strategic gaze fixed on the evolving geopolitical landscape, the decision to procure the F-35 assumes significance for numerous European nations. Beyond its operational and financial considerations, the choice to invest in the F-35 is intricately intertwined with broader geopolitical dynamics, particularly in light of escalating Russian activities in recent years. Recognizing the potential ramifications of such acquisitions, European countries anticipate enhanced cooperation with the United States, encompassing comprehensive training programs for pilots and maintenance personnel. This collaborative endeavor strengthens military capabilities and fosters greater interoperability with U.S. forces, thus bolstering collective defense mechanisms. Amidst mounting concerns over Russian military assertiveness, acquiring advanced weaponry like the F-35 emerges as a strategic deterrent, signaling a steadfast commitment to regional security and stability. Poland's decision to expedite its procurement process underscores the urgency to bolster defense capabilities, in the face of perceived threats from the East. However, lingering uncertainties persist regarding the F-35's efficacy against Russia's formidable S-400 air defense system. This factor prompted Turkey's expulsion from the program due to compatibility concerns. Nevertheless, the perception of the Russian threat varies among European countries embarking on the F-35 procurement journey. While some nations view the acquisition through the prism of countering Russian aggression, others adopt a more nuanced approach, acknowledging the region's multifaceted nature of security challenges. In December, Finland's Chief of Defense offered reassurances of the nation's security posture, citing no immediate military threat in Finland's vicinity. However, heightened military readiness measures underscore the inherent risks posed by ongoing military activities, necessitating vigilant preparedness to mitigate potential security incidents. In essence, the decision to invest in the F-35 represents a strategic calculus aimed at navigating complex geopolitical realities while safeguarding national security interests. As European countries grapple with the specter of Russian assertiveness, acquiring advanced military hardware is a tangible expression of their commitment to collective defense and regional stability. Through careful deliberation and proactive measures, these nations seek to fortify their defense capabilities and uphold the principles of sovereignty and security in an increasingly uncertain world.